Symbol, CLX. The Clorox Company. The Clorox Company is a multinational manufacturer and marketer of consumer and professional products. The company operates through 4 segments: health and wellness, household, lifestyle, and international. The health and wellness segments consist of cleaning products, professional products, and vitamins, minerals and supplements mainly marketed and sold in the United States. The household segment consists of bags and wraps, grilling products and cat litter marketed and sold in the United States. The lifestyle segment consists of food, natural personal care products and water filtration products marketed and sold in the United States. The international segment consists of products sold outside the United States. The company's products are sold primarily through mass retailers, grocery outlets, warehouse clubs, dollar stores, home hardware centers, drug, pet and military stores, third-party and owned e-commerce channels, and distributors. Products. Dividend information. Years of DIV increase, 36 YRS. Dividend frequency, quarterly. Average days for price recovery, 4.1 days. Symbol, PFE. Pfizer Inc. Profile. Pfizer Incorporated is a research-based biopharmaceutical company. The company is engaged in the discovery, development, manufacture, marketing, sale and distribution of biopharmaceutical products around the world. The company operations through 2 segments, Biopharma and PC1. Biopharma is a science-based medicines business that includes 6 therapeutic areas, such as vaccines, hospital, oncology, internal medicine, rare disease, and inflammation and immunology. PC1 is its global contract development and manufacturing organization and supplier of specialty active pharmaceutical ingredients. Its vaccines include Comirnaty/BNT162b2, the Prevnar family, Nimenrix, and others. Its oncology products include Ibrance, Standi, Inleta, Sutent, Retacrit, Lorbrena, and Braftovi. Its internal medicine products include Eliquis and the Premarin family. Its inflammation and immunology products include Xeljanz, Inbrel, Inflectra, Eucrisa/Stiquis and Cybinco. It also offers Rimegepant and Zavegepant. Products. Dividend information. PFE is a Dow Jones component. PFE has 12 years of consecutive dividend increases. Dividend frequency, quarterly. Average days for recovery, 19.5 days. Weekly review on January 20, 2023. This week's Producer Price Index report on January 18 is cooler. However, the market sold off due to the recession fear while the Fed over-tightens against inflation. Consumer staple stocks like PG, CL, CLX, KMB, OL, etc. were sold off way over 2% on average. The sector ETFs like XLP, XLU were off 4% in 2 days. CNBC's takeaways on the PPI report. The PPI declined 0.5% for the month, compared to the Dow Jones estimate for a 0.1% decrease. A sharp drop in energy prices helped bring the headline inflation reading down for the month. The PPI's final demand energy index plunged 7.9%. Retail sales fell 1.1% in December, slightly more than the 1% forecast. From MarketWatch.com. Theotrade's chief market technician, Professor Jeff Bierman, sees a bubble ahead for consumer staples. He calls it a safe haven rotation sector that is overbought and overpriced. Bierman doesn't hold back with his warning. We're heading into a recession and consumer staples are priced like growth stocks when they're actually value stocks. PG, CL, CLX, Lowe's ex-dividend dates. PG's ex-dividend date of January 19, 2023. CL's ex-dividend date is January 20, 2023. CLX, Lowe's ex-dividend date is January 24, 2023. PFE's ex-dividend date of January 26, 2023. No actions for CL and Lowe. CL has only monthly options. Lowe's beta is over 1.1. Additional ex-dividend dates for Oak. Oak's ex-dividend date is January 27, 2023. Oak's beta is 1.7, very volatile. Nearest option expiration date. January 20, 2023. Game plans for these stocks. Stock symbol, ABT, Abbott Laboratories. I keep selling $113 weekly covered calls to bring in about 1% income, besides the quarterly dividend. I don't mind if the call gets exercised and I lose the shares. Stock symbol, HRL, Hormel Foods Corporation. HRL dropped 4% after the PPI report. Plan. All of my Jan-20's $46 and $47 calls expired worthless. Waiting it to bounce higher before selling $45 or $46 calls. Conclusion. Expect to sell calls when it bounces. If not, we'll sell cash secured puts during more dips. Stock symbol, PG, the Procter & Gamble Company. PG is a Dow component. PG has 67 years of consecutive dividend increases. It would issue a quarterly dividend of 91 cents on January 19 with a yield of 2.4%. Its earning date is also on January 19. Plan. On January 18, Schwab reported the earning and immediately sold off more than 4%. Considering traditional companies are more likely to take a hit after the earning reports, I decided to cut the PG shares from $150 plus. I closed $150 calls with about $1.50 a share gain. So my loss for these PG is around $2.50 per share. PG closed down to $146.5 a share on January 18. For cheaper PG shares bought under $148, I sold $147 and $148 calls for about $2 per call. Plus the 91 cents dividends, the margin of safety is about $3. On 01-19, PG closed down -3% to $142.50 a share. Unsurprisingly, PG even fell under $141 during the morning of January 20. While PG crashed hard, CLX crashed harder. Current positions. Related transactions. Conclusion. Even after its modest recovery on January 20, 2023, I have to wait for more price bounce before selling $146 calls. Stock symbol, CL, Colgate-Palmolive Company. On 01-20-20023, CL would issue a quarterly dividend of 47 cents with a yield of 2.49%. Years of dividend. Increase, 60 years. Average. Days for price recovery, 2.7 days. Conclusion. CL has monthly options and the strike prices are $5 apart. No actions. Stock symbol, CLX, the Clorox Company. On 01-24-20023, CLX would issue a quarterly dividend of $1.18 with a yield of 3.38%. The trend is flat. Years of dividend increase, 36 years. Next payout increase, 0%. Average. Days for price recovery, 4.1 days. Plan. During the sector crash on January 18, 2023, CLX crashed harder than PG did. This is interesting because I know CLX will have ex-dividend on 01-24 but the earning report on 02-04. We must avoid their earning dates at all costs. With the new money freed from PGS, I sold CLX $144 puts, $141 puts, $140 puts because I am confident CLX's beta is lower than PG's so it will rebound faster. Not surprisingly, CLX rebounded 2% on January 20, 2023 while PG only rebounded 0.4%. All CLX's $141 and $140 puts became zero. These profits would help offset the cost for my cash-secured $144 puts. Current positions. Conclusion. We need to avoid earning reports. We will stick to the dividend plus rental approach strategy by switching to a similar stock. Stock symbol, PFE, Pfizer Inc. On 01-26-20023, PFE would issue a quarterly dividend of 41 cents with a yield of 3.38%. The trend is bullish. Years of dividend increase, 12 years. Next payout increase, 2.5%. Average days for recovery, 19.5 days. Plan. PFE is a Dow's component. Big pharmaceutical companies are good defensive stocks for recessions. PFE's beta is 0.68. Hence, the volatility is low. Current positions. Conclusion. Buy under $45 and sell $44.5 call for dividend and protection. Stock symbol, Lowe's Companies. On 01-24-20023, Lowe would issue a quarterly dividend of $1.05 with a yield of 2.08%. Years of dividend increase, 49 years. Since Lowe has a beta of 1.16, I decided not to take any action. Looking forward. Next week I will focus on selling CLX and PFE calls before the ex-dividend dates.